Listen and listen to me clearly. Do not get stuck writing a 20-page business plan. Let's talk about it. Okay, y'all. 2020 has been a little rough. Let's just call it what it is. But I hope you guys are sticking in there. I hope you guys are still planning on launching your cleaning service or have launched your cleaning service, even though we're going through such a crazy year. So if you've been following my series, 20 Steps to Starting Your Cleaning Business in 2020, you know that I've already created a couple videos for the series. So let's do a quick recap. Step 1, change your mindset. Step 2, research. A lot of people try to overlook this one, but it's really important. Step 3, define your unique selling proposition. And here we are on step 4, which is write your business plan. But I don't really want to talk about how to write a business plan because I already created a very lengthy video that I will link over here and also link in the bottom below so you can watch that video in its entirety. It really goes in depth about creating the one-page business plan, which you guys should know by now that I swear by that. I thank God every day that I was introduced to the one-page business plan. So in today's video, I really want to talk about how you guys can use that document and kind of implement some of the things that I've already talked about in step 1 through 3 to go in that business plan and how not to get stuck in believing that you have to write a 20-page business plan. So when we think about a business plan, I think we think about, well, let me take this back. Let me think about what I thought. So let me just make this more personalized. I really thought that I had to know everything. I had to know everything about my business. I had to know every price point. I had to know my perfect customer. I had to know my revenue for year 1, my profit margin for year 1. And it's just unrealistic. And I think that's why writing those long business plans are just such a waste of time. I just feel like if you kind of know the overarching theme of what you want to do and know your basic stuff, right? Obviously, you want to know where you want to be located. You want to know what services you're going to provide. You want to look at the competition. You want to know, you want to have an idea of your price point. But, that's pretty much the groundwork that you need to start your business. Again, make sure you look at that one-page business plan because it really details everything you really need to know, as well as my video. But I just really want to, preach the importance of not getting stuck, because I've talked to many people who are looking to start a business, not necessarily a cleaning business, but a business, and they are stuck on the business plan and they are analyzing and overanalyzing. I'm gonna use my favorite word, being fake busy, and they're not really moving and they're not really getting the ball rolling, and most importantly, they're not getting customers, and even more importantly, they're not making money. So don't let the business plan stop you from actually doing business. Go out there, do work, find customers, make money, adjust, repeat. That's really what you really have to think about. So I just really want to, again, preach today, don't get stuck on the 20-page business plan. Make sure you understand your market, make sure you understand what you're offering, and make sure you're learning. That's the best thing. And one thing I'll say is that your business plan is a living document. It is going to change. If I told you what I actually thought in year 1 about how my business was going to work and all these grandiose ideas that I thought I had, let me tell you, far from the truth for what's happening today, because things change and you won't know a lot of things until you start doing business. There are so many things I could not have predicted. Think about where we are, 2020. The coronavirus is here. And none of us could have predicted this. None of us could have predicted how it was going to impact our business. So that's why it's important to not get bogged down with things that you don't know, or some things that are so unpredictable, because that will really stop you from starting your business. So quick video today. Again, make sure you check out my really lengthy video about how to write the one-page business plan. And stay tuned to step 5, which is all about getting our domain and our social media handles for our business. Bye. Oh yeah, I always forget this. Y'all gotta keep me together. Make sure you like, comment below, and let me know about your business plan. Let me know if you're stuck, or let me know if you have used the one-page business plan that I suggested, and let me know what you thought about it. I'd be interested to hear all that information. Bye.